Oh my God.
Yeah, no.
Weaning. I mean, you'd have thought that he had a pin stuck in him.
Yeah. No,
And he'd just be out. And I'd rock him, and I'd rock him, and I'd rock him, and then I'd put him down, and then he'd finally go to sleep.
Well, he's all right now.
Good.
He's having
all right, I'll let you guys finish your yogurt.
Okay. I'm having my
meatballs.
No, I'm having my frozen yogurt now. He's having regular yogurt, and I'm having frozen yogurt.
There you go. Yeah, I got yogurt here too. I eat one every day.
Yeah. All right, sweetie. Well, you're welcome.
Right, well, thanks, Renee. I'm glad things are better with us.
Oh yeah, and I'll try and get over there next weekend then.
Yeah, that would be fun.
Okay, yeah, I'd like to see the new place.
Alrighty.
Okay, well, he's screaming.
See you later.
All right, I'll talk.
Bye, Jack. Grandma loves you.
Say bye-bye.
Bye, Jack. Grandma loves you.
Say bye-bye.
Bye, Jack.
He's looking at the phone.
Yeah, he always does. All right. Talk to you later.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.
You want to try some frozen yogurt? How's that? Different, huh? Different than yogurt. Yogurt. What? Which one? What? You like the yogurt? Oh. You want to try this one? Good. Oh, we can't touch that ourselves. No. Just a hungry little bird, aren't you? Goodness. Here, yogurt. You want this? Hey! Oh my goodness, you're just being a real grump. You gotta have your yogurts better. Good boy. Why is your little eye watering tonight, honey? Hey! calling Nana? No. Cold. Good. No. Can you say Nana? Oh! Cough. How about Nana? Say Nana. No. Nana. Hold on. Oh. Cold. Good. All gone. It's all gone. There's more of your yogurt. You're a hungry boy. Oh, you're doing monkey boy? Monkey boy? You're doing monkey boy. Monkey boy, monkey boy, right there, monkey boy, right there, monkey boy, right there, monkey boy. You're being so silly. You're being silly. Oh. Yeah? Well, what the heck is that about? Yeah? Silly boy. You're being so silly. You're being a silly boy. Show me patty cake. Can you show me patty cake? No water. No. What is it? I don't think so. Here, Jake. Are you done? All done? Can you tell Nana? All done? All done. I'm pretty sure it's not a car. No? Here, you want to play with your tray? Here. Here you go. Open, close, open, close. Open. Watch your fingers though. Yes, open, close. Yay. Open. Keep your hands up in the air. Close. Yay. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Careful. Watch your fingers. Good boy. Yay. Open. Close. Open. Close. Oh, you're a strong boy. Oh, excuse you. Excuse you, little runny nose boy. All done? Open. Close. Wow. Open. Close. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. Smart boy, you remember. Open. Close. Careful. Careful. Good boy. You are so smart, Jack. Yay! Yay! Let's hear it, Jack. Yay! Oh, Jack! What? Nabiscuit? What? Graham cracker. Break up little pieces. Small. Small. Uh-oh. Too small. They're small. What? Otter? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Thank you. Can I have? Good. That's a little bit too small for me. Oh. 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 Poor Jack. Are you sick? Let's see, Jack. Oh. Refrigerator. Refrigerator is on. Whoa! You okay? My goodness. All done? Oh, no. Don't do that because then it goes everywhere. All done? Oh, done? You gotta wipe your mouth. Oh my goodness, what a terrible face that is. All done? Say all done. Oh, what a mess. You made a big mess. All done. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No?